Andre from Laura James, and in this video we're just going to go over some of the common reasons why a drawer might stick. So first thing we're going to do is check that our drawer is square. So to do that, we'll take our drawer out, and what we'll do is we'll just measure corner to corner and make sure it's the same distance. Okay, so knowing our drawer is square, one thing we can check is that the screws are not protruding from the internal runners. We can check those. And if they are protruding, one thing we can do is always take the screws out and move them into a different position so they're out of the way.